Hello everybody, welcome back to Decor Tricks channel. The kitchen has always been more than just a place to cook. It's the heart of the home, where conversations happen, memories are made, and creativity comes to life. Remodeling this space is not only about upgrading appliances or changing colors, but about creating an environment that feels inviting, practical, and uniquely personal. A well-designed kitchen blends function with beauty, making everyday tasks easier while also becoming a space that people love spending time in. From thoughtful layouts and clever storage solutions to stylish finishes and lighting that sets the mood, every choice plays a role in shaping the overall experience. In this video, we'll explore some of the best remodeling ideas and design elements that can completely transform a kitchen into a space that is both timeless and inspiring. One of the most impactful ways to transform a kitchen is by opening it up to the surrounding living and dining spaces. Removing unnecessary walls creates a seamless flow that makes the entire home feel larger, brighter, and more connected. An open layout allows natural light to spread more freely, giving the kitchen an airy atmosphere that feels welcoming at any time of day. This kind of design also encourages interaction. Whether it's preparing meals while chatting with family or entertaining friends, the kitchen becomes a central hub where everyone can gather. The transition between spaces feels smooth and intentional, especially when flooring, colors, and materials are chosen to complement each other. With the right planning, an open concept layout balances spaciousness with functionality, turning the kitchen into a social and practical centerpiece of the home. A kitchen island is no longer just an extra countertop, it has become the heart of modern kitchen design. Serving multiple purposes, it can act as a prep station, a casual dining spot, or even additional storage space. With the right design, an island becomes a true multitasking hub that enhances both convenience and style. For larger kitchens, an island with built-in sinks or cooktops adds efficiency by keeping everything within easy reach. In smaller spaces, a compact island with clever storage compartments helps maximize functionality without crowding the room. Even extending the island to include comfortable seating can transform it into a welcoming place for family meals or quick conversations. By combining practical features with elegant finishes, a well-designed kitchen island elevates the space, making it both more useful and more inviting. A beautifully remodeled kitchen is not just about looks, it's also about how well it functions day to day. Smart storage solutions play a huge role in keeping the space organized and efficient. Instead of cluttered countertops and overflowing cabinets, thoughtful storage design makes everything easier to access and keeps the kitchen feeling clean and open. Pull-out drawers for pots and pans, hidden compartments for appliances, and vertical shelving for maximizing tall spaces are all clever ways to make the most of every inch. Built-in organizers for spices, utensils, and even recycling bins ensure that everything has its place. These small details may seem simple, but they make cooking and cleaning far more enjoyable. When storage is well planned, the kitchen feels calmer and more inviting, proving that functionality and style can go hand in hand. Bringing natural materials into the kitchen adds a sense of warmth and authenticity that instantly elevates the space. Wood cabinetry, stone countertops, and textured finishes create depth and character, making the kitchen feel inviting rather than purely functional. These elements introduce a balance between modern design and timeless charm. Mixing different textures can be especially effective. For example, pairing sleek stone surfaces with the softness of natural wood creates contrast while still maintaining harmony. Even small details, such as woven bar stools, stone backsplashes, or wooden shelving, can make a big impact. By incorporating natural elements thoughtfully, a kitchen becomes more than a workspace. It transforms into a space that feels grounded, cozy, and full of personality. Countertops and backsplashes are some of the most eye-catching features in any kitchen, and choosing bold designs can instantly define the entire space. A striking marble slab, a polished quartz surface, or even a concrete finish can make the countertop the centerpiece of the room. These materials not only look beautiful but also bring durability that stands up to everyday use. Backsplashes offer an opportunity to introduce creativity and personality. Patterned tiles, shimmering glass, or metallic accents can add depth and flair, turning a functional surface into a design statement. When paired thoughtfully with countertops, the combination can tie the whole kitchen together in a cohesive and stylish way. By balancing durability with bold design, countertops and backsplashes become more than practical elements, they become the artistic highlights of the kitchen. Lighting has the power to completely change the atmosphere of a kitchen. A well-planned design doesn't just brighten the space, it sets the mood and enhances every detail. Layered lighting works best: task lights for focused cooking areas, ambient lighting for general illumination, and accent lighting to highlight special features. Pendant lights over an island add both function and style, creating a focal point that feels elegant and welcoming. Under cabinet lighting makes meal prep easier while also giving the kitchen a warm glow in the evenings. Even recessed ceiling lights or statement chandeliers can transform the space into something truly memorable. When lighting is thoughtfully chosen, it highlights the design choices, enhances the flow of the room, and turns the kitchen into a place where people naturally want to gather. Technology has become an essential part of modern kitchens, adding convenience and efficiency to everyday life. Smart appliances like ovens that can be controlled from a phone, touchless faucets that improve hygiene, and refrigerators with built-in organization features make tasks easier and more enjoyable. Lighting systems that can be adjusted with a voice command or mobile app also create flexibility, allowing the kitchen to adapt from bright cooking conditions to soft evening ambience. Even smaller additions, like charging stations hidden within drawers, help keep the space clutter-free and functional. By thoughtfully integrating technology, the kitchen becomes more intuitive and efficient while still maintaining the warmth and personality that make it the heart of the home. Designing a kitchen with sustainability in mind is both practical and rewarding. Choosing energy-efficient appliances helps reduce electricity use while also lowering utility costs. Water-saving faucets and fixtures are another smart addition, ensuring daily tasks are efficient without unnecessary waste. Materials also play a key role. Cabinets made from responsibly sourced wood, countertops crafted from recycled stone, or eco-friendly flooring options like bamboo and cork add style while being gentle on the environment. Beyond that, durable finishes ensure the kitchen will last longer, reducing the need for frequent replacements. Sustainability in the kitchen isn't just a trend, it's a way of designing a space that feels beautiful, functional, and responsible all at once. Cabinetry sets the tone for the entire kitchen, and customizing it allows the space to truly reflect individual needs and style. Beyond storage, cabinets define the layout, the flow, and even the personality of the room. Custom options make it possible to maximize space while tailoring the look to match the overall design vision. Handleless cabinets with clean lines create a sleek, modern feel, while glass front doors showcase curated dishes or decorative pieces. Open shelving can break up heavier cabinetry, adding lightness and visual interest. Inside, pull-out trays, adjustable shelves, and built-in dividers make organization effortless. With the right balance of function and design, customized cabinetry transforms the kitchen into a space that feels both polished and perfectly suited to everyday life. A neutral color palette has a timeless quality that works beautifully in kitchens of all styles. Soft whites, warm grays, and earthy tones create a calm backdrop that feels clean and sophisticated. These shades allow the design to stay fresh over time while also making the space feel open and welcoming. Accents, on the other hand, bring personality and vibrancy. A bold-colored island, metallic hardware, or even a patterned rug can add just the right amount of contrast without overwhelming the room. The beauty of neutrals is their flexibility. Accents can be swapped or updated easily as tastes evolve, while the base remains classic and enduring. By pairing a soothing foundation with well-placed accents, the kitchen achieves balance, blending timeless elegance with a touch of individuality. Flooring is one of the largest surfaces in the kitchen, and the right choice can completely transform the look and feel of the space. Durable options like hardwood, ceramic tiles, and luxury vinyl not only withstand daily wear but also bring texture and character. Each material offers a different mood. Wood adds warmth, tiles bring crisp elegance, and vinyl offers versatility with easy maintenance. Patterns and layouts can make an even greater impact. A herringbone design, wide planks, or large format tiles create visual interest while also enhancing the sense of space. Choosing colors that complement cabinetry and countertops helps tie the entire kitchen together, making the floor an integral part of the overall design. When flooring is thoughtfully selected, it grounds the kitchen while also elevating its style, ensuring the space feels cohesive and complete. A well-planned kitchen remodel is about more than just new finishes. It's about creating a space that feels effortless to use and inspiring to spend time in. From open layouts and functional islands to bold surfaces, smart technology, and those personal finishing touches, every detail works together to shape a kitchen that is both practical and beautiful. Whether the goal is to maximize functionality, showcase style, or simply make the heart of the home more enjoyable, these ideas prove that thoughtful design can completely transform the space. If you enjoyed these remodeling inspirations, make sure to like this video, share it with others who love design, and subscribe to Decor Tricks for more creative ideas to elevate your home.